Welcome back, dear followers. Subscribe our channel and click the join button for more videos. Can Yaman talked about his relationship and his future plan with her. Can Yaman having some plans for his future about marriage. He never been declined that he is not in love. The thing is that Can Yaman always been worked hard, not been only making relations. But he said he have some plans to be married with one of his girlfriend and then he will go back to his family and live remaining life with them. John said almost more than 12-13 years he is doing acting and working hard. Now he said he needs some rest and want to live the life with his wife.